Goods and Service Tax, GST. Introduction. Hey students! Welcome back to ConceptTara. Today we're going to understand one of the most important chapters in commerce, Goods and Services Tax, or GST. Not only will we explain the concept clearly, but we'll also solve 22 real exam questions step by step. Let's start and make GST super easy. GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is a single indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services across India. GST replaced old taxes like VAT, service tax, and excise duty. There are three main types of GST. First, CGST, Central GST, goes to the central government. Second, SGST, State GST, goes to the state government. Third, IGST, Integrated GST, charged when goods move from one state to another. We also have two important terms: Input GST, GST paid on purchases; Output GST, GST collected on sales. And the final GST payable equals Output GST minus Input GST. Solved examples. First, second, practice questions. Thanks for watching.